Aurangzeb thought he had crushed all Hindu resistance. He demolished temples, reimposed the Jizya tax, and ruled with an iron fist. But one king refused to bow. He didn't just defy the most powerful emperor of the time, he warned him, "Dare to collect Jizya in Mewar, and you'll never return alive." His defiance was so fierce that even Shivaji Maharaj told Aurangzeb, "If you think you are brave, try collecting it from Maharana Raj Singh first." This is the forgotten story of Maharana Raj Singh, the Lion of Mewar, the savior of Srinath, and the one Hindu king Aurangzeb never dared to touch. Watch till the end to uncover how his resistance helped ignite the longest rebellion against Mughal tyranny, and why his legacy was erased from our textbooks. Born on 24th September 1629 to Maharana Jagat Singh I and Mirtaniji Karam, Raj Singh ascended the throne of Mewar in 1652. Like his legendary ancestor Maharana Pratap, Raj Singh too would challenge the might of the Mughal Empire, this time under the fanatic emperor Aurangzeb. In 1657, as Shah Jahan fell ill, a brutal war of succession erupted among his sons. Aurangzeb, Dara Shikoh, Shah Shuja, all sent desperate pleas to Maharana Raj Singh for support. But the Maharana had his own plans. Refusing to pick sides, Raj Singh launched his own Chittor military raids disguised as hunting expeditions. In 1658, Raj Singh stormed through Mughal territories, plundering, imposing levies, and annexing lands. From Malpura to Sambhar, to Malwa and Gujarat, Raj Singh's armies struck where the Mughals never expected. His son, Kunwar Bhim Singh, even invaded Varnagar and Ahmedabad, leaving the Mughals humiliated in their own lands. As Aurangzeb's fanaticism peaked, temples across India fell. From Kashi Vishwanath to Somnath to Srinath in Mathura, none were spared. The frightened priests of Srinath and Dwarkadhish were turned away by many rulers. But not by Raj Singh. Raj Singh granted land and protection at Nathdwara and Kankaroli, ensuring Vaishnavite worship could thrive safely under his banner. In 1679, Emperor Aurangzeb reimposed the dreaded Jizya tax on Hindus, an act of religious persecution that sparked outrage across Bharat. But one king didn't just protest, he challenged the empire directly. Maharana Raj Singh of Mewar sent a stern message to Aurangzeb. Any Mughal official who dares to enter Mewar to collect Jizya will not return alive. This open defiance shook the Mughal court. Aurangzeb, fearing revolt, secretly ordered his generals not to enforce Jizya in Mewar. But the shockwaves didn't end there. Across the Deccan, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj heard of Raj Singh's defiance, and he mocked Aurangzeb with words that would go down in history. "If you imagine piety to consist in oppressing the people and terrorizing the Hindus, you ought first to levy the Jizya from Rana Raj Singh, who is the head of the Hindus. Then it will not be so very difficult to collect it from me, as I am at your service." But to oppress ants and flies is far from displaying valor and spirit. Shivaji and Raj Singh, two lions from two corners of Bharat, stood tall when others bowed. Their courage shattered the illusion of Mughal invincibility. When Jaswant Singh of Mewar died in 1678, Aurangzeb tried to grab his kingdom. But Raj Singh allied with Durgadas Rathore, igniting the Rajput War of Independence. For 3 decades, the Rajputs fought valiantly against the Mughals. But Aurangzeb was not done. Unable to defeat Raj Singh in battle, he used deceit. In 1680, Maharana Raj Singh was poisoned by his own men, bribed by Aurangzeb. He was succeeded by his son, Jai Singh. But even after Raj Singh's death, his legacy lived on through resistance. Though Jai Singh made peace with the Mughals under pressure, he refused to submit fully, denying cavalry aid to Aurangzeb. Meanwhile, Ajit Singh of Marwar kept fighting. On 12th March 1707, just days after Aurangzeb's death, he finally recaptured Jodhpur. Maharana Raj Singh's resistance not only protected Mewar, but kept the Rajput flame alive during the darkest days of Mughal tyranny. Share this story if you've never heard it before. Let the world know about the forgotten warriors who stood up to Aurangzeb when others bowed.